6-inch long wire harnesses with butt connectors. Advanced design ensures both easy installation and all-weather dependability. Female receptacle, boat side, features a weather cover with faceplate for convenient flat surface mounting. Composed of two 8-gauge wires, handles 12 volts. Attwood products are both compatible and reliable, engineered and built with a never-fail attitude. Top reviews from the United States. Nice power outlet for trolling motor, allowing me to unplug and remove the trolling motor. I got a new trolling motor with a quick-release mounting bracket which makes removing my trolling motor very easy. My old motor was wired directly to a switch and the battery, which would have been a pain when removing the new motor. I installed this in the boat, using the same hole the original wires were run through, just modifying it slightly. I purchased the matching male plug separately and wired that to the motor. Now it's plug in and go, or unplug and remove motor, very easy, and much more secure storing the trolling motor indoors out of the elements, not to mention more secure.